Diode checking using multimeter. Red probe is connected to the diode mode, black probe is connected to the common. Then multimeter knob is rotating to the resistance mode. Then yellow switch is pressed and changed to diode mode. Then taken diode, white mark is cathode, other is anode. Then diode is connected to forward biased. Black probe is connected to the cathode, red is connected to anode. Then 4.460 is cut in voltage. Then reverse biased, no voltage. Then diode is good. In another method is change it to resistance mode. Then forward biased, very low resistance. Okay. Then reverse biased, very high resistance, mega ohm range 4.07 mega ohm. Okay.